The stage is set. It's time for these young guns to shine bright. The superstars of tomorrow in action today. It's an India versus Pakistan final in the DP World Men's Under-19 Asia Cup 2025. We're coming to you live from the ICC Academy ground in Dubai. The energy will be high. All eyes will be on these young guns. And the officials, they've got a role to play in this contest as well. It's a big match for them as well. Kamruzaman from Bangladesh and Ravindra Kotahachi from Sri Lanka, the two on-field umpires officiating this game. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. That big 171 from this young left-hander in the opening game set the tournament alight as far as the Indian campaign was concerned. At the other end, there was Samir Minhas from Pakistan as well, who got that big 177. And straight away had the batter feeling for that delivery. Zahur was at odds and ends there.
And there's pressure. Yeah, this is where he launches, goes big, outside edge, and it goes for four. So the first boundary is at third man as Henal Patel takes the new ball from the other end.
It takes the aerial route. He's got height, doesn't have the distance. Is Miran going to come around? Aaron George drops it. I think there was always a doubt about whether Vedant Trivedi would go for that catch, or will it be Aaron George who'll go for it?
High balls are never easy, and the communication under the high ball is of great importance. And on this occasion,
Breathe easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Does Hamza Zahur and dispatches it. That's gone the distance. The first six of the match, the first six of the final.
Oh, he fares against the new ball. He likes to go big, takes his chances. That's the nature of the boy. And this time he makes a good enough connection, clears the boundary easily. The first six of the innings for Hamza and Pakistan.
Clipped away off his pads, and this is going to be four more over the mid-wicket fielder. Minas not holding back here, taking the aerial route to clear the infield for four. Slashed away, but this will be four. There was width on offer, and Samir Minhas gets his second boundary in this over. Oh, that is tremendous, but has he got the distance on it? Got the height, and it's gone the distance towards the longest boundary. That's six for Hamza Zahur.
Use of the feet, and this pitch is easy paced. It's not looking like a Gabba pitch or not behaving like one.
Oh, the bat handle came loose. This could be a wicket. It will be a wicket. Ayush Matre, the captain, latches on to the catch. And this time around, Henal Patel tastes success. The Pakistan Under-19 side lose their first wicket as Hamza Zahur's got to go.
The first wicket in the fourth over. It's 31 for 1.
That's the left-hander who walks out into the middle, Usman Khan. 65 runs in the four matches before this, best of 27. The superstars. Oh, that's played away in the air, and that's going to be four. Helping it on its way, Usman Khan. Kishan needs to find his line very quickly. In the air, the third man there has gone for six. I wonder if he spotted the ball. The sun coming straight in his eyes. Henal Patel was struggling there, and it's gone for six.
Indians would have hoped that it's an easy catch for the fielder, Patel down there. And he was unable to judge it at all because the sun was directly in his eye.
A bowling change being rung in by the Indian side. Dipesh Devendran, the leading wicket taker for the Indians with 11 wickets to his name in this tournament. Pulled away over the infield. He's picked the length early and pulled it on the front foot for four. That's going to give him a lot of confidence. The 50 comes up on the board for the Pakistan Under-19s. Clipped away. It was on the pads and put away. This ball might have the legs to take it over the ropes. It does. That's four more.
Punched away. Ayush Matre has something to chase and it beats him. Timing superb. Oh, he's taken the bowler on. and sent it high in the sky. 6 of the highest order.
Glorious, glamorous. That's Sameer Minhas for you.
Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous.
Great weather to be out here at ICC Academy.
He's gone towards square leg. Just beat him. Sameer Minhas with a stroke of luck.
He must not be that worried as he's played beautifully. Oh God, he can play. This boy has so many shots all around the ground and he plays them with confidence.
That is a safe shot to play against the off spinner. So safe that it went along the carpet to the boundary. He is certainly one to watch out for. Sublime Sameer Minhas has showcased his mentality, his tenacity, his talent at the biggest of stages. A 50 in the final.
And what a humble way to celebrate it. This shows that he's not done yet. The commitment that he's showing, that shows in his celebration. Sameer Minhas.
Over the bowler's head. Swatted away. He can ooze class and sometimes he can pack a powerful punch. Fetch that, would you? Usman Khan is oozing some confidence as well now.
Yeah, where did that came from?
Again, the slog sweep. He's finding those spots and he's finding those gaps. These are useful runs and a very useful shot against the off spinner.
World Cup for them. That was against India. Low scoring match, but look at that. Sameer Minhas will go down to the boundary for 4. Expensive over that. Oh. He's been good. He tries to pull this. It's in the air. Fielder there. Makes... Oh! Just when you say makes a mess of it, he holds on to that in the second attempt. Pilhan Patel gets his man.
Well, I'm a little bit surprised about that shot from Usman Khan. Very, very surprised, to say the least. Because there is a partnership of 92 of 82. Again, very, very ambitious. But he'll get a boundary. Just wants to kind of release the pressure with that shot. 139 for 2.
It's reverse swept and in the gap it goes. Another boundary to Pakistan. So everything going their way at the moment. Hussain decides to reverse sweep one after 4 consecutive dot balls, and he breaks through the pressure with this boundary in particular. Oh, this is smashed, and this will sail over. Majestic. This is Sameer Minhas showing his class and his temperament. It's a big game and he is delivering big time.
Getting to the pitch of the ball. His dancing shoes on. And as you said, simply majestic. Again, trying to give it the long handle. Mistimes it. But it'll race to the boundary. That was just pure strength.
This is...
That's gone towards the sun. And beyond the boundary. Sameer Minhas taking the captain on and getting the rewards. 28 done, 182 for 2.
Kind of chance Sameer took on the last ball. He didn't middle it, so the heart would have been in his mouth, and plenty of hearts in their mouth in the dugout as well, as it was a close call. Lucky for him that it's a 6, and he moves to 97, and Sarfaraz, well, he puts a hand on his head and says...
The perfect example of rising to the occasion. The epitome of patience, talent and virtue today. Sameer Minhas, a century in the final, a second in the tournament.
Fabulous. What a way. On drive, down the ground, full face of the bat. And it really showcases the kind of tournament that he has had. Outstanding performance, and he thanks God, puts it head down and thanks him to this 100, something that he'll remember for times to come, as the fielder puts in a poor effort. He just dives over the ball. He should have stopped it, not to be. The coach signals him. It's a happy dugout, and so is the man himself.
Very authoritative. Down the track. Is it over? Yes, it is! Fearless, fabulous, fantastic. Samir Minhas. 30 done. 206 for 2.
Look at it, our cameraman. Look at that. Good connection, clean connection.
And Fadai, he didn't get it from the middle of the bat.
It's sixes. And they just keep capitalizing on the loose ball. That was there to be hit. And Samir Minhas obliges and sends it for the boundary. Again, this is India. Just chipped it. And that is good enough to clear the boundary. Another six off the bat of Samir Minhas.
Everything this young man is touching is turning into gold as he bring up the partnership to 100, courtesy to this.
Needed. Comes down the track. Samir Minhas. You cannot stop him. That's a maximum.
Yeah, smashing Samir Minhas. Fabulous. Look at those eyes wide open, focus 100%, clarity in mind, perfection in skill, excellent execution, great placement, straight, great result.
It's those little margins. At this moment, he can do no wrong. A shot carved out by a sculptor.
I'll tell you what, it's an outstanding shot because just look at the length. Just keep an eye on the length. It's a back foot punch. He's picking extra cover. Yeah, look at that. High elbow. Getting the elevation. Look at where he pitches. Yeah, it's a back foot punch and he's playing it off the front foot.
Take nothing away from him. On a day where Minhas has been the protagonist, he is certainly the best support cast. A 50 for Ahmed Hussain in this final. Speaks volumes about him and his resilience as well. 254 for 2.
So that's what he's achieved in the tournament so far. Now this is one-handed. And it's cleared the boundary, I think. Yes, it's six. Was not in totally control, but had enough legs.
It was short and to be hit. Swats it away. And he's been holed out. Khilan Patel finally gets the breakthrough. Anticlimactic, but Ahmed Hussain departs. Wow. Just wow. Some shots don't need words. You just need to see them and appreciate them.
Again, just look at the length. He's hitting it on the up. He's looking to charge him.
Frees his arms. Sends it for six. Ends Khilan Patel's spell with that maximum. 40 done. 276 for 3. On what has been a gorgeous day for Pakistan under 19, it has been a gargantuan performance by Samir Minhas. Raise your bat once more, young man. 150 in this final.
Amazing temperament, amazing innings. Obviously coming into this game under pressure. It's an India-Pakistan game like this. He's used the sweep shot very effectively against the off-spinner. And he's got maximum results. Outstanding knock. It's a special knock.
Work of art once more. He can do no wrong.
I'm just wondering whether it was a full toss or whether it was a half volley. Either way, brilliant execution. Yep, it was not a full toss, but it was almost a half volley. No, just over pitched. And look at how he goes over cover.
Boom! A second sun in the sky. That delivery deserved what it got.
And you don't bowl that when he's in this form. He's sighting the ball and he's striking it. And that's a gift and very well accepted.
The 300 is up with that. And Deepesh Devendran is very rattled.
Yeah, he looks rattled because if you look at the lengths he bowled, every time he pitched up, all he did was drag his length, and the mistake was that he gave him width with no fielders behind point on the offside. Over.
Is this it? Is this the moment? It is! It is! Finally! Finally they see the back of the villain of the Indian under-19 hearts. Sameer Minhas. A brilliant innings of 172 comes to an end, and Deepesh Devendran gets his man.
Yeah, bowled a slow, rolled his fingers on top of it, deceived him. Another in terms of pace, definitely. He was expecting a pace on, went looking to go over the top. But what an innings from this man.
Cricket, have fun. That's. Oh, was that a chance? Struck really hard. Struck fearlessly, struck for 4. The captain, Farhan Yusuf, is not holding back. He might have lost a wicket in the previous over of Sameer Minhas. And he can hit, but straight into the hands of the fielder. Hassan's got to go. We saw his big hitting prowess in that previous match when these two sides were up against each other in the group stage, but not today. It's Kanish Chauhan who has the last laugh.
If that was needed, yes. He just came in, facing third delivery. Yes, he had the license, but still the connection not quite there. Uzaf's Ehsan gone without scoring. It's 307 for 5.
Oh, shuffled across his stumps. He's created this opportunity to get 4.
Think batter. In the gap. In the gap. In the gap and a boundary. It's been that sort of inning from Indian fielders. It just hasn't gone their way.
Using the pace that Deepesh Devendran generates. And Kishan here, I think, was a tad late. One step behind the ball, or half a step behind the ball. Tried to put in the dive, but dived over it.
Know it. Oh yes, Dan, go on, bowled. Yeah, attempted few different tricks in the previous over, not to be this time. Didn't get the connection. Good consistency, great line, great length. A full toss, just he missed.
Starts a fresh spell.
Is appealing for it. Oh yes, given out. What a fantastic period for India team in this game. They've taken 4 quick wickets and surely pulled back things for themselves. Brilliant comeback.
Henel starts off his over with a wicket. Just feeling for that ball, Shayan outside off. Look at this again. 3 overs. Oh, edge just wide. That's going to go for 4. Streaky boundary for Shafiq. He gets off the mark and Henel says, takes the aerial route. There's a fielder there. Gets under it. Thank you very much. Henel Patel takes the catch. Deepesh Devendran gets his 3rd wicket in the final.
Subhan will go back after scoring 2 runs. 327 for 8.
Goes big. And that has gone the distance and more. So wrapping up the innings with a 6. They get 12 runs off that final over. 347 for 8 in 50 overs. That's what the Pakistan under-19 side have posted in the final, which means India will have to pull off a record run chase. They'll have to chase down a record 348 if they can do that to win the title here in the men's under-19 Asia Cup.
He'd be up against 2 players who have already made their name. It doesn't matter what their records are at the under 19 level. They have showcased their skill at the senior level. The captain Ayush Matre and the headline grabber Vaibhav Suryavanshi. He takes him on and sends a message towards all those fans waiting to come in. That's how you lay down a marker, Suryavanshi. That's how you lay down a marker.
Very first delivery in his zone, in his arc. He swings it and swings it all over for 6.
A free hit and he makes Ali Raza pay. 2 legal deliveries, 13 already on the board.
Because he's super talented, his intent is clear, clarity of thought. He wants to go big, he wants to deliver for the side, he wants to see his team home.
One more time. One more time. Suryavanshi is ready for this challenge.
Pick it up. Great swing of the bat. Great balance he has. Great intent.
Under 19. Or rather, that was Subhan. Sayam has come into the attack right now. Apologies.
With Vaibhav.
That's into the Dubai Marina. Oh, drop catch. Better fielding effort required in the crowd.
Look at that. Brilliant. Great swing of the bat. Great balance. Again, in the way he hits them, these are big, monstrous hits you want to see.
Fielders are showcasing interest. 3 of them converging. Dropped. Lifeline.
3 fielders interested outside the off stump. That's where he needs to be as a bowler. Look at this. Probably got confused because of Ahmed, but he got there right. Look at this. Oh no, just hard hands, hard hands.
Mid-off. Straight to the fielder. The captain, completely flummoxed, has to head out as things get heated down in the centre.
It's a big, big wicket, massive wicket. They're all loving it. But just a little delay. They're gonna make the batter wait. If maybe they were just checking for the no ball, but he started walking back. He didn't like something. It's all happening. Such a big game, Atish. Can always get carried away. Pakistan wants to do well. They want to get wickets.
Yeah, he should be safe. He should be safe.
Yeah, there's no worries from the very talented Ayush Matre. Walks back, scoring 2, 32 for 1.
Aaron George comes out in the middle. Edge, no second slip. George gets off the mark with a streaky little boundary. Straight. And Ali Raza, who's just bowled an over, can't keep it within the ropes. Now this is the Aaron George we've come to know and love. Classic cover drive.
Righty in that inning. And again in the air but away. In the gap also. We'll earn him runs, if not a boundary. Yes, it is a boundary. So very impressive start for George already.
Oh, it's right at the helmet and this could be curtains. Mr. Consistent departs. Siam gets the last laugh. And while India are racking up the runs, they're also losing wickets.
He's already in the over. Again looking to take him on. Not to be. Great length again. Length is the key. Got it right. Yes, celebrate. Aaron George going back, scoring 16. 49 for 2.
In the previous outing against Sri Lanka in the semi-final, Aaron George and Vihan Malhotra were given players of the match together, courtesy that 69.
Edge, yes! Gone! Big, big wicket! Ali Raza strikes! What a time, what a moment in this game! Superb Ali Raza! Again playing away from the body. They now start to believe. Yes. Fantastic. Again, few words being said. But Pakistan has done their part. They've taken the wicket. Vanshi.
Oh, he was trying to take the bowler on at the first time of asking. Not much foot movement, only the bat, and Hamza over his head claims it. Suryavanshi, the danger man. 26 off 10. But India under 19, the scoreline is grim, 49 for 3.
Walks in. It's been brilliant from Pakistan. Whoever do give you chances, then one. Beautiful, great timing, excellent placement. Sigh of relief, a boundary for Malhotra. Runs. So he has a very important role. Oh, Gohan knocks him over. Wicket in his very first over. He can do no wrong in this tournament. Pakistan is on fire and on top.
In the time of need where you needed to be a little sure-footed and watchful, goes for the long hoik, does Vihan Malhotra, misses the ball completely and then crashes into the leg stump. He tries to recover, but Vihan Malhotra departs for 7. India 59 for 4.
59 for 4 as Abhigyan Kundu, the wicket-keeper batsman, walks out into the middle. At best, Abhigyan do need to stitch together a partnership. Well placed by Vedant Trivedi. He'll get 4. A welcome boundary for the Indian side. As I welcome Salman Bhatt in the commentary box.
Once again, it's in the air, shot and a chance, and taken. Sayam with his heavy balls, the shorter ones, is proving fatal for the Indian batters. It's Trivedi this time.
It's one more time.
Yeah, this hard Geba pitch, if somebody has used that hard length to good effect, it has been Sayam in this game. Out of all the bowlers playing this match from both sides, he has just bowled those heavy balls on that length. Another wicket to him off the short ball. 9 Trivedi got, and India are now 68 for 5.
But for the moment, the spinner has been greeted to the bowling crease by a towering 6 by Abhigyan Kundu. That could be taken. It will be taken. He's found a man, a third man. He didn't have to move an inch. It was almost like it was a Christmas gift delivered. And Abhigyan Kundu's got to go. Subhan strikes again.
A shot but aiming at the stumps, and Kundu, well, he just gives some catching practice to the third. Knowing that there's a man placed over there, I don't know what he was thinking. A moment of brain fade that India lose their 6th with the score at Kundu has to leave for 13.
It's also going to be time for a drinks break.
This is finely played, cut late. This will get to the boundary before Ali Raza. 4 to the total. A neat little shot from Chauhan.
Oh, this is in the air. And taken. Farhan Yunus, skipper, completes the catch as Ali Raza gets another wicket.
Extra bit of pace. Hurrying Kanishk Chauhan, nothing going right for India.
It's. Oh, he gets that in the slot. And he sends it off for a maximum. A rare sight in this India under 19 batting for some time now. And he brings 172nd 6 of this tournament. Comes down the track, charges on and sends it off for a maximum.
Well, they look to play shots like that. And that also tells you how good this surface is. We haven't seen any delivery misbehave, no uneven bounce.
They haven't really recovered. And this is going down for the big hit, and chance for Sayam, and he takes it. Easy one. And the off spinner.
Khilan Patel using his feet, but the ball was turning away from him. Didn't get the meat of the blade, got the elevation, not the distance. And in the deep, the catch being taken by Sayam. Making no mistake, yes, celebrations for Hassan in his very first over. He strikes. And 15, Khilan Patel gone for 19.
Has been a barren patch for him, and another chance. This time it's long off, and this time another wicket. 9th down. and Pakistan inch closer to the Asia Cup trophy as Hassan picks up his second wicket as Patel. This is big. This is in the cow corner and it clears the boundary by some distance. Some power in that hit. Devendran opening his arms, getting a maximum.
It was in his arc and he's definitely sent it out of the park.
Once again he looks to go big, doesn't get the timing, but Sayam, he misfields one, and this is a 4, and the bowler Hassan isn't happy. So 24th over ends with a boundary. India 131 for 9.
Streaky, lucky, but 4. That's what Dipesh Devendran gets. He said, all right, I'm going to flay my bat at whatever comes my way, and we'll see what happens after that. Telling a story. In the air, could it be taken?
There's a chance this time, and it falls to the ground and quietly crosses the rope as well. So what could have been the title is now a boundary. 4 more to the Indian total. As this is once again up in the sky, and this is held, and this is the moment. Pakistan becoming the champions, the first exclusive win for Pakistan as Ali Raza picks up the wicket, and it's joy for the dugout as players and officials run in with the flags on their back. Jubilation for the crowd as Pakistan clinched the Asia Cup Under-19 title after 13 years, and that too was joint winners with India, and now it's the first exclusive win for Pakistan as Pakistan turn around this campaign, starting gloomy but ending in a perfect sunshine